everybody. Okay, cool. So on the Smart Connect server video, we're going to be talking about the data queue page and what that actually looks like in the server side of things. I will go through a little bit of the desktop, just quickly configuring something on my device just to show you what the process would be. But let's get to it. So here in my smart desktop and the smart mobile packages, you will see that it always asks me for my username and password. So that means I'm connected to the internet, connected to the server. So when you're editing this package here under Smart Connect, these data uploads here, upload every 2 minutes. In this case, send my position every minute as this alert. And I've configured that the carcass would come in as an observation alert here. So I've clicked save, and I've exported it to my device. So off I go collect information, and it's sitting, and it will be sending this to the server every whatever. So as you can see, there's no files found currently on the data queue page. But so I went out for a patrol, collected some information. I'm going to click refresh, and as you can see here, there is now suddenly files that are wanting to come in. So currently the status is queued, so they're sitting on the server. They still have to be processed into Smart Desktop. Now obviously you can set it to automatically process under the server configuration side of things. There's automatic sync, but also the data queue options here, so checking items periodically, checking and automatically processing every 60 minutes. I'm not going to wait 60 minutes, so I'm going to go to the view the processing the data queue here. Obviously username and password. Okay, these are past ones that have already been processed, so I don't have to worry about these ones. I'm just going to select them and remove selected. But these ones here are still needing to, so they're queued at the top, they're on the server, so I'm going to process all of them. So the first one will be obviously to start to create a new patrol. That's fine. And remember, some of these are actually the point data that sits on the alerts page, which I'll show you now. So while this is being, let's see what happens as this processes. As you can see, the progress is showing completed. And there it is, it's been processed. So under my patrols, there's my data here. If I go look, you'll see there's a whole bunch of carcasses, and on the map here you will see the information. So now I'm just going to zoom, right click, zoom to layer, so it's easier. As you can see, my points, observations, my path in which I took. But that's quite cool. But on the alerts page here, you will see my, because it's sent it through to the server, you'll see my path, and there it is there. So that is the data queue option here, and now you can see the status has been changed to complete. You can download the files, you can delete the files, and you can modify the status, or you can check all and delete it because they have already been processed. So that's a good way as an administrator to watch and check the data coming in. Cool, hope that's helped.